Another bus ride.
Rose Mountain is all covered up in clouds.
Yeah, over there. That was really a great experience. Next. Yes, please. We're going to get our ticket here. A day pass to go everywhere. Today is one of those simple travel days. No big plans, just exploring. Good morning.
Yes, we're here in Vancouver right now. We took the SeaBus over from Lonsdale Quay.
And we're gonna go for brunch at the place called
The Dutch.
Hello.
Hello.
Two, please.
Caramel apple whip, probably.
With a view. It's similar with yours, basically. But mine is just inside.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
The Dutch.
What do you think about that?
It was great. It was a very, very good meal. It was slightly different, but it was still very, very good. Very tasty. I'm glad we did it.
Yeah.
You feel like summer days to me, warm, tender, sunny rays. I hope that we are meant to be. You say nothing at all when we meet, yet somehow I know your history. Oh, come what may, I'm ready. Picture frames, lavender and pain, they all live here within this romance. I get the chance to stop the run and be the lucky one.
Come to Yaletown, everybody.
Yes. It's pretty nice, actually. They have a nice walkway.
Yeah.
Greenway.
And now we are currently in their park. They have a lot of restaurants here as well.
Yeah, but they're very classy restaurants.
Yeah.
It feels like you're in a college town.
Yeah. But it's a pretty place so far. And then look at their park.
So this is a lot of their condos or apartments. Nice view.
Oh, you said that's the condo?
Yeah, there's condos over here and apartments. You got the flowers up there.
Oh, yeah.
Really nice. Very pretty.
Yeah. That's an aqua bus. It's very cute.
We're going to go one way right now. Okay, that's 6 doors.
619 is bus 2 behind you here. I had a dock on the far side of the dock where Jen is, so if you make sure you're on the close side so I can get around you and pick up.
You made together?
Copy
Yes,
that.
sir.
Yes.
$400 and they closed and kicked everybody off. So that didn't help.
Thank you.
Thanks, have a great day.
You too.
See ya.
It's exciting.
Yeah, I like this. I guess we'll go here.
Okay. So I would. This is where you go for your shops.
Shops?
Shops at crew caps.
Flowers. Oh my goodness.
Wanna feel alive. Pop on the same streets, some modern concrete. Take me to burdens, hear heart pound. I need that something, somewhere, just to make me feel alive. No, I cannot do that too hard. Just take me somewhere. Yeah, I'd take anything you got. Stay out the longest, no tomorrow, 'cause reality's boring. Miss the train home. Talk to
We are at Granville Island.
Yes. We spent the majority of the day here.
Yeah, it's
And-
actually pretty.
Yeah, there's a lot to walk around, a lot to see.
Shops.
Hazel fell in love with the food market. She didn't want to leave. She couldn't believe there's that much food.
Public market. Oh, it's amazing.
She said that her mother would love it.
Yeah, for sure. My mom will enjoy it for sure.
Yeah, they had plenty of fruits. They had meats. They had pastries. They had different
Cuisines.
nationalities, cuisines. Okay, so
Yeah.
and it was really quite extensive.
Yeah.
You know, and then we walked around. There's an artsy portion of the island and so on. It's the other side of Vancouver Island, basically. It's the other side of Vancouver.
And you have to take the aqua bus.
Yes, over to get here.
It,
Meanwhile, these pigeons have no fear.
he's just gonna attack your feet.
My cats here that have a field day. All right, so that's all I got from here. See ya.
See ya.
There it is.
Be careful with your backpack.
We'll be okay. We'll be all right.
So we tried the different restaurant we used to go to Medley's, just inside our hotel. But this time it's across, so hopefully the food is good. I have ribs, coleslaw, and rice. It's actually soft. You wanna try?
You try. Like it?
Your typical
Good. That's good.
even try. Tonight we're doing absolutely nothing but just relax. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. These are my favorite kinds of travel days. Good night.
Bye.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go,